guys hear that? Cicadas! They're back! Anybody know the back history on cicadas? They come back every 17 years. They burrow down into the ground. Kind of fascinating. Look it up. I love that sound. Very cathartic, kind of soothing. My oldest daughter, when she was a baby, only way to get her to calm down was to walk out. We lived in the middle of the woods, and the crickets, the cicadas, the sound of all the bugs are the only thing that would put her to sleep. She was a colicky baby. Blame it on that. But anyway, I always loved the sound of cicadas. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's only in the 70s here this morning. It's a great day to be out and about, enjoying the weather. Have a great day.